Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to combine your first and last name in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we will have an overview about what we are going to do today. We are going for the best approach or the simplest approach with regards to combining names. So, you don't have to memorize any formula, but you would have to memorize the sequence of how we are going to do this procedure. Well then, to get started, go ahead and click on the empty cell next to the names that we want to combine. Next, go ahead and click on the function button located on the top left portion of the screen. This is what it looks like, the insert function button. Next, go ahead and select a category. We should use all so that every function shows up when we search for it. We can either scroll down and look for concatenate, or we can just type it in here. Once you find concatenate, go ahead and select it and click enter. Now that we have clicked on the function, let's go ahead and insert our texts. For the text one, we have to choose the first name. So what we're going to do is click on this button right here to close down the window and go ahead and click on the first name cell. We are shown a preview on what our results would look like. Then, we should go ahead and proceed to text 2. Just go ahead and do the same thing and click on the last name. As you can see, the result doesn't have space in between. That is why we need to manually input it. Erase the cell again and type the following: quotation marks, space, quotation mark. This allows us to add a space in between the first text and the third text. So, once we click on text 3, press the button again to hide the window, click on the last name cell, and check if the preview is correct. If we are satisfied, go ahead and click on OK. It should show up something like this. We can customize the table whatever we want. We can center the name, change the font style, the font size, the color, and anything. Now, to easily apply this to the other items, we just have to click on the lower right portion of the cell and drag it towards the bottom part of the table. And the results for all of the names should appear right away. And that is how we combine the first name and last name in Microsoft Excel.